All right. Good morning. Uh, you asked me about. You wanted to know how many accounts or how many people is required at every level in Corbis Club International. First of all, it is so important for us to understand how the system works. Okay, how the matrix are being organized. Okay, so I won't spend too more time. So quickly, now you can see on my board here that I have stages. So stage one, stage two, stage three. Okay. Now over here I have the levels. Okay. Now in stage one we have just two levels over there. Okay. Looking at this matrix, for instance, you can see yourself. You can see the first line, which is your first generation, and you can see the next line, which is your second generation. So in stage one, you only need to fill these two levels. Okay, that's over here. You can see that in stage one we have just level one, level two. So yourself, this one is actually neutral. Okay, it's neutral. It's not actually a level per se. So, but you need to sign up your first account, your main account. Okay, therefore you now go and fill your next three. So that's it on the level one, stage one, level one. Okay, so you fill your first three. Then in level two, you fill your next nine. Because all those three need to bring their own three each. Okay, so 3 by 3 making 9 over there. Actually, it's just a multiplication of what? 3. You understand? Then you are going deep, deep, deep. So, but in stage 2 and stage 3, we have 3 levels. It's no more like stage 1 where you have just 2 levels. But in stage 2 and 3 going, we have 3 levels. Therefore, in stage 2 or stage 3, you need to fill up your first 3, your next 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so that's what we call it, a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix. Excuse me. So in level 1, we have a 2 by 3. Okay, but in level 2 and 3, we have a 3 by 3 matrix. I hope you understand. Good. So with that one being settled, so you can see here that in stage 1, you just have your level 1, level 2, so yourself, your next 3, your next 9, so making what? 13. So with 13 accounts, for example, if you open a multiple account with 13, automatically your first account will enter stage 2. Why? Because it has completed each own level 1 and level 2. Okay? Now when you get to stage 2, it's a different ball game. Each thing has its own way of being filled. So in stage 2, for instance, now when you move to stage 2, you will now be seeing these people, these 3 accounts and these 9 accounts in stage 2. You will not see them. Only you'll be showing in what? In stage 2. Like this account will be showing in stage 2. But the rest will be empty. Okay? That means that this your 3 and this your 9 need to also do their own work, homework, and also come to stage 2. Therefore, they begin to show in your stage 2. I think my blue marker is not working. Okay, so when you come to stage 2 yourself, for instance, if these 3 people has also completed that their stage 1, they also come and show in your stage 2. That means that you have completed stage 2, level 1, which is this. Okay, so now these 3 people, when they do their 3 each, that means that, don't forget, yesterday I was saying something about generation. So this is your first generation, your second, your third. So where would I write this one? Let me put this over here. Okay, so first generation. So second gen, third gen, fourth gen, fifth gen, sixth gen, seventh gen, eighth generation. Now all these things are in the what you call team statistics. When you get to your dashboard, these things are there. It's so important to understand this thing. So to answer your question, you can see right there. So in stage 2, level 1, you need to need 7 new accounts over there. Now, these figures are where you are filling your matrix vertically. You see, look at here, for instance. You come with your 3, you are done. You come with your 9, you are done. Then you now come with your 27, you are done. The next line is 81. The next one is 243. Then it's going. Do you understand? So this is how you fill the levels accordingly. But because now if you want to go by this system, for instance, my friend, it might be difficult for you to actually fill all these figures. Okay, but so there's something you call
one leg effects, whereby, for instance, after filling your 3 and your 9 or 27, the next one is 81. But one leg can develop that 81 for you, and when you develop that 81, it will show in your matrix. I think on a different video, I'll come and show you about this one leg effect, and I'll explain in 2 details. But for today, the way you asked me, so these are the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. And stage 2, level 1, level 2, level 3, and the stage 3, level 1, level 2, level 3. So for calculation purposes, just multiply by 3 and you'll be getting them. So 1 by 3, 3 by 9, by 3 again 9, 9 by 27, 27 by 3, 81, 81 by 243. So you can see the levels over there, and you are going deep. So when you come here, account needed per stage. Accounts needed per stage. That means, for instance, when you come to stage 1, you need 30 accounts to complete stage 1. Okay, 12 new accounts under yourself, so plus you say making 13. Okay, so you're done with stage 1. But when you come to stage 2, for instance, when you add these 3 figures, you are getting 351. Okay, so in a sense, 351 account is needed when you go to stage 2 in this regard for you to complete stage 2. So to complete stage 2, let's say you want to do a multiple account, for instance, you yourself, you need to add this 30 to this 351 and get 364. Therefore, if you open 364 accounts at a go, you will be in stage 3 because you have ticked all these 2 stages. Okay, so it goes all the way like that. But there's another secret here. Don't be looking at these figures and be saying they are accounts. Hey, how am I going to get 2,000 accounts? When am I going to get this 6,000 accounts? No, it doesn't work that way. All these figures, they are accounts. They're not individuals. So an individual can open all these accounts, both stage 1, stage 2, automatically. An individual can open only all these accounts, 13. Imagine if you have, so that's what we need to talk about teamwork, team strategies. You need to build up a team. You understand? For instance, if you come in with 364 accounts yourself, you'll be in stage 3. Okay? So you'll be in stage 3 automatically. Okay? But where are all the remaining accounts? Most of them, some of them will be in stage what? Some of them will be in stage 2. Okay? Whilst many others will also be what? Is still in stage 1. You understand? But when you get to stage 3, when your first account gets to stage 3, all these things will not show inside. Okay? They will not show in your stage 3. Because it is your first account that will move towards to stage 3. What do you need to do at that level? Just go and get 27 leaders that also do the same 364 account that you did. When that one happens automatically, all these levels will be filled. Therefore, you've completed stage 3 and you enter stage 4. Automatically you qualify for the what? For the car. Now there are many other bonuses that comes at each level. Okay, so we have level bonuses, we have stage completion bonuses. All this one are being added to you. You know, as far as money is concerned, as far as incentives are concerned. So you can actually add all these accounts, all these figures, all the money that come into your account, and open other accounts as well. You understand? So this is the table. This is the figure, stage 1, 2, and 3. That's the first focus. For our stage 4, 5, and 6. Focus on this first 3 stages first. When you're done with this one, you cannot move towards the next 4, 5, and 6. Okay? But it's all bound down towards multiple account creation. Okay? So if you come in with 364 accounts, just get your 7 leaders. So in your team, that will be the same thing. When that one happens, automatically all these figures will be filled over there. I think when we are, as you begin to build up your team, when you get to that level, because every level has its own way of what? Of account creation, team opening, and position of legs and people, and the rest. Okay, but the most important thing, the CEO of Obis Corp International always advises us that we should be building vertically. So now this system or these levels that this account has been put over here, they have been built in such a way that what they are actually being positioned in vertical, locations. That's why you are seeing these numbers. Okay, but there are times whereby somebody or a team can be going on deep. They can be building teams over here. Okay, and they are going deep. But the other legs, nothing is going on. But there is an extent at which all these members or all these accounts will have an impact on you. Okay, so for instance, when you get to stage 2, for instance, any person or any account from your first to your seventh generation that moved to stage 2 will show in your matrix. Don't forget that in stage 2 and stage 3 there are what? There are 3 levels. Okay, so you need to be your first 3. That means 3 people need to join you in stage 2. Then 9 people also need to come and join you in stage 2. Then 27 new accounts also need to come and join you again in stage 2. And that's when you now complete towards stage 3. Do you understand? I think let us focus on the levels or the stages. So you take it one after the other. Okay? Otherwise there will be confusion, there will be chaos. Okay? So you focus per stage. So for the levels, these figures, once again, these figures are being here, they are being pushed according to what? Vertical method of what? Teamwork or team building. You understand? That's what these figures are here. There's some instances whereby somebody can join and he's in stage 2, okay, but when you go and check his 4th generation, he does not have 81 accounts there. He can have only 6. But how come he's in stage 2 level 2? Is because a particular downline has built his team, and therefore because all those people that are in his team, in that his downline's team, they are moved to stage 2, they will show in his matrix. Because from 1st to your 7th generation, anyone that moves into stage 2 will come and join you in stage 2. That is the beauty of it, okay? But it's always better to actually do it, to actually build a team vertically to an extent, okay? I hope I'm clear over here. I hope you understand that you can see the levels here, okay? So that's it for the calculation. So if you say to me, maybe I want to complete stage 3 at a go, no, it's not. You can't. How can you now open 9,000 accounts? Do you know how much it is? How much is the card that they will give you in stage 3? It's not $2,500, if I'm not mistaken. Do this calculation by multiply this amount by 120 rounds and see how much you get. It's like 3 times. It's like 3 times this amount. So the best thing to do, for instance, when you open 364 accounts yourself, automatically that your first account will enter stage 3. What you now do is to go and get 27 leaders that are passionate with the same vision to do the same thing. When that one happens, automatically you are done. Okay? The other method, some people can start to go by maybe only 13 accounts. Okay? Some can go from here to here, you are getting, I think, 40. Okay? Here is 40. If you add 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 40 accounts. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You can add 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Okay? So that will be how much? That will be 121 accounts. So it's that you build a 13 account team, 40, 121, or 364. Okay? So depending on your team, depending on the company that you are bringing on board. Okay? And that will determine the levels at which you will be, or your account will be, or maybe where all those people will be located. Okay? So this is it, and this is how the levels are being done, and this is just a short video for you to understand the levels, okay? And the importance here is to build vertically, and these figures are actually being abstracted because they came out of what? Vertical, ways of building, your matrix. So 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. There you go. Thank you.